Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make red chutney without onion, garlic and coconut at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I took some urud dal, 2 tablespoons of urud dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal. So these are all the raw one guys, not the soaked one. And this is the red chili. So 4 to 5 red chilies, and here I chopped 2 tomatoes, and here I have some curry leaves. So let's start the recipe. And little bit of tamarind. So in all the chutneys, we used to add tamarind, which is good for our health. So yeah. So take a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I am adding oil guys, because we have to fry all the things. And when the oil becomes little bit hot, we have to add these things together, and I'm going to fry. And in this oil itself, here I'm adding this ing powder, which gives a nice taste in this chutney. So we have to fry until it becomes light brown in color. So can you see the color guys? It started becoming light brown in color. In this I'm going to add some fresh curry leaves and the tamarind, and I'm going to add these chopped tomatoes, and here I'm adding these chopped tomatoes, and I'm going to fry all these things together. So after adding the tomatoes, we have to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. And it's time to switch off the flame, and when it becomes cool down, we have to grind it in the blender as a smooth paste. And you can have this chutney for idli, dosa, uttappam. So I added the salt. It becomes cool down guys, and it's time to grind it in the blender as a smooth paste. So my chutney is ready guys, and this is the tempering. As you know, in all the chutneys we used to do the same tempering. So yeah, so this is ready, and I'm going to have this chutney with dosa. So this is a quick video of how to make a red chutney for dosa, idli, uttappam, vada, pongal at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.